Trying to catch fish without knowing what's happening below the water can be frustrating. You can spend hours casting in the wrong spot without any real results. Luckily, today's technology makes things much easier, helping you find fish, check the depth, and turn every fishing trip into a more efficient and enjoyable experience. In this video, I'll be showcasing the 5 best fish finders available and helping you decide which one suits your needs best. If you'd like to check the current prices or purchase any of these devices, I've included links in the video description and the first comment for easy access. Let's start with the ReelSonar iBobber Fish Finder, a smart solution if you want quick and easy fish tracking right from your phone. This device stands out because it shows fish location, size, and water depth directly on your screen, making it simple to understand what's happening below the surface. Even if you're new to fishing, it helps you make faster and better decisions without any guesswork. It connects through Bluetooth with a range of up to 98 feet, letting you see real-time data from the water without needing extra displays. Everything is handled from your phone, which makes the whole experience feel more modern, simple, and convenient. Another strong feature is its ability to analyze the environment. It can scan depths of up to 135 feet, while also showing the bottom contour, vegetation, and structures where fish usually hide. This makes it easier to find the right spots like drop-offs or active areas, improving your chances with every cast. Through its mobile app, it also offers helpful tools like trip logs, interactive maps, and GPS tagging. You can save exact fishing spots, track conditions, and review your catches later, helping you learn from each trip and come back to the best locations. It also includes smart alerts for fish activity and bites, so you don't have to keep staring at the screen all the time. This is especially useful during long sessions or when you're managing multiple lines. On top of that, it comes with a rechargeable battery that lasts over 10 hours, making it reliable for full-day use. Its compact, lightweight floating design makes it easy to carry and cast, whether you're fishing from shore, a kayak, or enjoying time outdoors. Next up, we have the Garmin Striker Vivid Series Fish Finder. A great choice if you want clear underwater details and accurate fish detection without needing experience. One of its standout features is the 4-inch display with high contrast colors, making it easy to see what's below the surface, even in bright sunlight or murky water. This means you can quickly understand what you're looking at without struggling to read the screen. It also includes a sonar system that delivers sharper images of the bottom, clearly separating fish, vegetation, and structures. This helps you spot active areas faster, make better decisions, and save time while increasing your chances of catching more fish. Another big advantage is the built-in high-accuracy GPS, which lets you mark fishing spots, create routes, and return to the exact locations where you've had success before. It even shows your boat speed in real time, giving you better control while moving across the water. You'll also get a mapping feature that allows you to create custom underwater maps as you go. This helps you understand the terrain, find drop-offs, and locate spots where fish tend to gather, making every trip more productive. The unit is designed to be compact, durable, and ready for outdoor use, handling splashes and vibrations with ease. Its smaller size works perfectly on boats with limited space, and the adjustable mount makes installation simple and flexible. Using it feels very straightforward thanks to a clean and easy-to-navigate menu that lets you adjust settings quickly. It works well for beginners and experienced anglers alike, helping you focus on what really matters, catching more fish with better accuracy and less effort. Just a reminder, you can find all the purchase links with updated prices in the video description and the first comment. Let's continue with the Deeper Start Fish Finder, a great pick if you want something portable, easy to use, and ready right out of the box. This device creates its own Wi-Fi connection, so you can see all the data on your phone without using mobile data. It stays stable and reliable, reaching up to 165 feet, which is perfect for fishing from shore, docks, or a kayak. With its built-in sensor, it can scan depths of up to 165 feet, detecting fish, vegetation, and underwater structures. This makes it much easier to find active spots instead of guessing, helping you improve every cast and making your fishing trips more productive. Everything is controlled through a simple and user-friendly app, where you can clearly see fish size, depth, and bottom contour. It also saves each scan automatically with location and time, so you can go back to the spots where you've had the best results before. The floating design is lightweight and easy to cast with no wires or complicated setup. Within minutes, it's ready to go, making it perfect for anglers who want something quick and hassle-free. Battery performance is solid too, with a full charge in about 2.5 hours and up to 6 hours of continuous use, which is enough for a full session. It also includes features like fish alerts and size detection, helping you quickly spot activity in the water. It even comes with a night fishing mode and automatic power on when it hits the water, making it easier to use in low light conditions and letting you focus on what really matters, catching more fish. Now let's move on to the Lucky Fish Finder. A solid choice if you want a simple and reliable way to spot fish without dealing with complicated tech. This unit uses sonar technology to detect fish and measure depths of up to 328 feet, showing everything in real time so you can make better decisions with each cast. It helps you understand what's happening below the surface without guessing. The display is another highlight, featuring a blue backlit screen that stays easy to read in bright sunlight or at night. You can quickly check depth, fish location, and bottom type, all presented in a way that's clear and easy to follow. It also gives you a better view of the underwater environment by showing details like weeds, sand, rocks, and bottom changes. This helps you find areas where fish are more likely to gather, improving your overall fishing strategy and saving time. Its portable design makes it very convenient to use. You can hold it with one hand or wear it around your neck using the included strap, which is perfect when fishing from a kayak, small boat, or even from shore. The sensor covers a 45-degree detection angle, allowing you to scan a wider area underwater and spot fish that are moving or grouped together. It also includes a built-in fish alarm, so you get notified when there's activity without constantly watching the screen. It runs on 4 batteries, giving you around 4 to 5 hours of use, which is enough for a typical fishing session. There's also a power-saving mode that helps extend battery life, letting you stay out longer and make the most of your time on the water. If you're enjoying the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to stay updated with our latest content. Finally, the Venterior Fish Finder is a great pick if you want a versatile device that works well in different water conditions with adjustable settings. This model features a wireless casting system, allowing you to throw the sensor directly using your fishing rod, reaching up to 262 feet. That means you can explore a much wider area without moving, making it easier to locate active spots from shore or a boat. It delivers a detailed view of the underwater environment, showing water depth, temperature, fish size, and their exact position. It also displays the bottom contour, helping you identify structures where fish tend to gather, which improves your chances with every cast. The visual experience is another highlight, thanks to its 2.6-inch color display with adjustable backlight. You can clearly read all the information during the day or at night, making it reliable in different lighting conditions without losing visibility. It also offers strong detection performance, scanning depths of up to 164 feet with a wide sonar angle. This allows it to cover more area underwater, helping you find fish faster instead of wasting time in unproductive spots. Battery life is solid, with both the screen and sensor being rechargeable, providing around 6 to 8 hours of continuous use. This is enough for a full fishing trip without interruptions, keeping performance steady throughout the day. You also get useful customization options like 20 sensitivity levels and adjustable brightness, so you can fine-tune it depending on water clarity. Its compact and durable design makes it suitable for lakes, rivers, the ocean, or even ice fishing, offering flexibility for different fishing styles. That's a wrap for today. Let us know if we helped you find the perfect fish finder, or if there's another fish finder you'd like to see in our next top list. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos. If you want more info or the latest prices for each product, make sure to check out the links in the video description and the first comment. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.